I can't thank all of you enough for being here with us today. You make this moment even more special than we imagined. Oh, excuse me, I think I'm about to sneeze. Oh my.
Do you, Claire, take Peter to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Wait, hold on. I think I need to sneeze. Sorry.
Oh, my nose. I think I'm about to sneeze.
You look so cute when it's stuck like that. Bless you, sweetheart.
Thanks. I think I'm gonna sneeze.
Here it comes.
Nope, it's stuck.
You're adorable when you do that.
Oh no, I think I'm about to sneeze.
Uh-oh.
Just a second.
Bless you. Another one. Bless you, love. Adorable.
Do you, Emily, take John to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Oh, hold on, I'm sorry, I need to sneeze.